Hello everyone, welcome back to AKG Memorial. Today we will discuss on an elaborated MCQ on trigonometry. Question 9. Find the relation obtained by eliminating theta from the equation. What are the equations? X is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta and y is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. From these two equations, we are to eliminate theta, that is, we would eliminate this theta from these two equations and we will find the relation. What relation is obtained on eliminating theta from these two equations? Okay, so it is said either A, B, C or D. The correct option is at the end of the video, so let's stay tuned. Explanation. Now x is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta and y is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. Okay. Now what we do is we square this equation both sides. So this becomes x squared is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Okay. Now this is of the form a plus b whole square, where a can be thought of as a cos theta and here b can be thought of as b sin theta. Okay, so a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So on expanding this with the help of this formula, we have this is a, so a square becomes a square cos square theta plus a 2ab, so 2ab sin theta cos theta. Okay, and b square, so plus b square is, this is b, so it's b square sin square theta, so b square sin square theta. Okay, so we have done x square. Now what are we doing? We are squaring this y also. So what we do is y square becomes a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Now we know this, that if a plus b whole square is this, then a minus b whole square is actually a square minus 2ab plus b square. So expanding this and thinking a as a sin theta and b as b cos theta and expanding as a minus b whole square, we have y square is equal to a square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus b square cos square theta. Now see, every option here has an x square and a y square, so we have squared it. Okay, now the question arises is whether we have to do an addition or we have to do a subtraction. Now let's see what we have to do. See, this 2ab sin theta cos theta is also common in this y square with a 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now here there is a negative sign and here there is a positive sign. So if we add these two, this gets cancelled out. Okay, so hence we have a simplified form. But if we subtract, so if we subtract, this becomes a plus. We are subtracting y square from x square. See, because every option here has x square minus y square and x square minus y square here. So what we do is we do x square minus y square. Now if we do that, let's not talk about any of the terms. Let's just talk about this term here. So it becomes a plus 2ab sin theta cos theta and this minus with a minus here becomes a plus. So this becomes a plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. So these two terms gets add up. So that is not a simplified form, because if this two gets added up, then we have a very long form. So what we want to do is we want to just cancel it. So since it is of opposite sign, what we do is we just simply add. If we simply add, then this whole term and this whole term gets cancelled out. That is what we want. Okay. Now since we said that we are adding up, so we are doing x square plus y square. So we are putting the values of x square and y square and then we are adding up. So it becomes a x square was an a square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus b square sin square theta. Okay, and y square was a square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus b square cos square theta. Now see, as I said, that on adding these two terms gets cancelled out. Hence, these two terms gets cancelled out and we are left with these four terms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now, see, taking this term and this term here, we can see that a square is the term that is common in these two terms. So, what we do is we take an a square common and we are left with a sine square theta plus a cos square theta. Okay. And taking these two terms and we see that b square is also common in these two terms. So we take a b square common and hence we are left with the sine square theta plus a cos square theta. Okay, now from the trigonometric identities, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this term here and this term here becomes a 1. So we are left with a square plus b square. Hence we have x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Let's see which option is correct. We can see that the correct option is D.